Hello everybody! So we're gonna leave Armenia now and we're gonna go to Georgia! Yay! I'm with Mio.
Guys, another day, another vlog, and now we're going to
Georgia!
Georgia with Kuya.
With
Hi,
Kuya! Hi Kuya! Hey, we're so excited! Hello everyone! So at this time, we're on our way heading to Georgia. We're passing by to Saban Lake right now because as per Kuya Hike, there's no other way.
Hello guys.
Wait, Armenia is a mountainous country. Kaya naman, while on our way, nakapag-take kami ng pictures and clips. Lalo na si Mio, talagang pinaupo ko siya sa unahan para ma-enjoy niya naman yung daan. We were so lucky guys na na-meet namin si Kuya Hike. Oh, by the way guys, na-meet nga pala namin si Kuya Hike sa Republic Square habang naglalakad kami ni Mio kasi we wanted to try the metro. So yeah, we saw him beside the street and then he gave us a card um offering a travel tour. So we took his card and then we just decided na sa kanya na lang mag-go. It's a long drive travel. So by land, it would be around 5 hours of drive going to Georgia. Kaya naman, while on our way, yes, maganda yung daan, though medyo inantok lang din kami. Pero talagang nakakatawa yung daan kasi it was really lovely, guys. And so yeah, my God guys, ngayon ko lang na-experience to. Sobrang nakakatuwa, nag-enjoy ako dito sa taas ha. Oh, by the way guys, you know what guys? All these yung mga cars nila, it is their taxi and my God, pati yung driver nila all this na din. And while on our way, kumain na rin kami ng saging kasi nagutom kami. It was a good idea na nagbaon kami guys. Kasi while on our way, sobrang nakakagutom din. And enable for us not to go down again and again para lang mag-drop by or mag-pass by sa mga resto. Para tuloy-tuloy na rin yung biyahe namin. My God guys, yung pisngi ko dito, sobrang hinahangin pero syempre, tiis lang ganda tayo, diba? Tingnan nyo naman. Hinahangin yung pisngi ko. And ang hirap pong huminga. But then, sobrang ganda lang kasi talaga ng daan. So, syempre, enjoy ko na lang din, diba? Oh, by the way guys, you might wonder why we were not driving. Because mas gusto namin na ma-enjoy yung daan. And we're not familiar sa lugar, kaya naman it's better to pay a tourist guide na lang. I'll write the number and the name of Kuya Hike sa description ko para naman malaman nyo yung contact number niya if ever you decided to travel in Armenia or in Georgia.
be nice. Guys, just an update po. Mabilis na update. So, dito po sa side na to, we're going on this side. This is going to Tbilisi, Georgia. And if you can see, on the right side, this is going to Azerbaijan po. So, okay na po. Just a quick update. So, we're going to that side. Okay, and it's just nearby. We're already traveling like around 3 hours, 2 more hours, and then makakarating na po kami sa Georgia!
Quick update again. We're already here at Georgia border, and it's just there. There's just a traffic because they still need to check our stuff and belongings. So we're already done in the immigration. Natatakan na din yung passport namin. We're just waiting for this. So yun, welcome to Georgia! So here we are, we're in the city of Georgia. They call this place as Tbilisi, Georgia. Tbilisi is one of Europe's oldest capitals. It has been the cultural, political, and economic center of Georgia. And you know what? Tbilisi is also a captivating blend of old and new, where narrow cobblestone streets, traditional wooden balconies, and ancient landmarks exist alongside a modern view. There's a lot of tourist place as well in Georgia. And of course, I'm gonna show you that in my next vlog. For the meantime, let me show you a quick tour of our room here in Georgia. Hello! Oh, ganun ulit na. Hello guys! Good afternoon. It is currently
4:25.
4:26. I'm not sure if magkapareha lang yung timing ng Georgia and ng Armenia. I didn't search it yet. But yeah, as per my watch, it's 4:26 already and we're already here at Georgia. We're already here in Georgia and we book our hotel here in Tbilisi, which is the city of Georgia. And I'll show you our room. Maliit lang siya guys, actually. Parang mga hostel lang from the other country. Actually, yung liit niya, malaki na siya compare sa iba. So, I'll show you around. Pero para sa akin, malaki na siya. What I mean is, maliit. Hindi lang siya katulad ng ibang hotel, yung building niya. Kasi parang mga hostel siya, parang mga boarding house siya. Pero, hotel na siya. Same as Armenia and yun nga, dito. Parang, I think ganun din yung ibang Europe country. So, anyway, without further ado, I'll show you our room. So, when you enter the room, ito yung makikita nyo. They have TV, meron silang mirror, yeah, ayan. And then, ito po yung washroom nila. Malinis po siya and accommodating yung may-ari. Siya mismo yung nakasalubong namin. And yes, another mirror there. Yeah, this is the washroom. This is the bathroom, I mean. And then, this is the bed. They provided a sleeper also. Akala ko wala sila ipo-provide, so it's good po. It's good to know that. And me is there.
Hi, vlog!
Another day, another day. Another day, another vlog.
Okay. Thank God we arrived safe.
Yes po.
We arrived at Georgia.
Yeah, and then, yeah, here po. Ito lang po yung ano niya. Ito lang yung makikita niya sa labas. Ayan. Ganda siya actually. And sobrang mura po nito guys. So, let's see later kung saan kami mapupunta. Kasi, as what I've told you na rin,
dun sa ibang post ko earlier, DIY lang kami from Armenia, and then nag-cross lang from UAE. We took our flight going to Armenia, and then from Armenia, nag-cross lang kami ng border. So, andito na po kami ngayon sa Georgia. And then, the thing is, I'll just share with you guys para aware na rin kayo once na mag-travel kayo. Kasi this is our first time na mag-travel na kumbaga parang magko-cross ng border, or parang to-travel into one place to another place or to another country. So if you're gonna do that, you have to buy the multiple visa. Ang nai-apply namin from Dubai is single entry lang. So, ang flight namin going back to Dubai is from Armenia. Yun yung napabook namin. So, what we have to do is we need to return, or we need to go back Armenia, buy another ticket, and then go to the airport of Armenia. So, it's a hassle for us, which we don't know. And I just recently realize na sabi ko, oh my God, mag-cross pala kami ng border. Pupunta pala kami ng Georgia. So, I told that to Mio by that time na, oh my God, I said, cross pala tayo ng border. What shall we do? Kailangan pala natin ng multiple visa. So, by that time ko lang na-realize. So, yeah, I'm just sharing with you guys na if you're planning to do this, you have to take the multiple visa. So, anyways, I've asked the immigration na dito nga sa Georgia, sabi nila, wala namang problem. Kasi nga, di ba, upon arrival naman yung visa. So, sabi niya is, we just have to go back. And then we just need to buy another ticket, and then doon na rin mismo sa border. So, enable for us to go back Armenia and to take our flight going to Dubai. But then, I'm planning later, we're just going to take a rest, and I'm planning to check it online kung pwedeng manggaling na lang kami dito para hassle-free na rin. So, I hope na pwedeng change ko yung pinabook namin from Georgia to Dubai. So, yeah, let's just pray for that. Anyways, just a quick update po, guys. Thank you so much po kay Kuya Hike, which is siya talaga yung nag-tour sa amin from going to the countryside of Armenia, which was very, very, very, very helpful. And sobrang ganda po ng mga pinuntahan namin. Sobrang helpful niya po sa amin. And hanggang dito po. So I just want to thank him sa lahat po ng effort and help po na ginawa niya po sa amin. Thank you so much po, Mr. Hike. And lalagay ko na rin, guys, yung contact number niya sa link below para if ever na mag-travel din kayo from Georgia or Armenia, at least you have his number. He's a nice guy po, and mapagkakatiwalaan nyo rin po siya, guys. So yes, thank you po muna. Later po ulit. Bye!
Hello everyone, good afternoon. So we're just walking around the street. We were looking for the exchange kasi we're planning to change our money. We don't have enough cash this time. Kaya naman naghanap kami ng money changer. But then when we saw this place, oh my God, it was so amazing, guys.
Ang daming apple, berries. Nakakatuwa. Ayan. McDonald's. Hello, guys! Nandito po kami ngayon sa daan. Naghahanap po kami ng mapupuntahan namin. Yung parang, kung saan na lang kami dalhin. So, nagtatry kami mag-antay ng taxi going to Botanical Park. And then from there, mamaya, after nun, maglalakad na kami along the city. And then, tingnan po natin kung saan kami makarating. So, Mio's here, and po, wala lang po kaming mapuntahan. Hello guys, we are currently here at National Botanical Garden of Georgia. So yeah, we're here.
Yes, mag-ram tayo.
Tayo muna tayo. Pansin po namin palagi kaming nasa akyatan eh. So,
Kailangan daw natin mag-struggle.
guys, mamaya po mas maganda pa siya sa taas, I'm sure. So, sa ito po ulit, may ganyan siya ulit. And here's the entrance. So, we're just gonna buy ticket and...
May ticket?
Oo.
Magkano?
For Georgian Larry is the price of ticket. Parang sa dirham, it's just like around
7 to 8.
sa ganun. Okay. Ayun yung falls sa nila. Guys, nandito na po kami sa loob. Mag-stroll lang po kami. And... Ay, nasan yung falls nila? Bababa pa tayo. Okay. Libot lang po kami. Para siyang mangga. Hindi, ano yan? Mangkukuri.
Hindi, ayun, mangkukuri. Parang ganun, oh.
Mangkukuri. Mangkukurikon. Ayun, no, tanglad. Kumuha ka tanglad.
Hindi tanglad yan.
Mangkukuri.
Siya, biri-biri-biri. Biri-biri-biri talaga. Literal. Okay.
Guys, ito po yung pupuntahan namin.
Very big.
Hanggang dito po. So, ito po yung goal namin for today, makarating po dito. The chapel na nasa taas and then sa monument na nasa taas. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag nila kasi hindi ko maintindihan. Pero isa-search ko na lang mamaya and hindi meron dito.
Nasaan tayo? Ayan o, yung washroom.
Nandito na pala lahat eh. May zipline. Ganan. Oh, maraming maganda.
Siya.
Check na lang natin. Guys, if you're hungry, hungry. If you're already thirsty, meron silang drinking fountain. So, kakastart pa lang namin. Check namin yon. Ahaw na rin kami. Let's go po. Puro po kami paakyat. Kain tayo habang naakyat tayo. Oh.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
One more. Ba naman? Bapa. Bapa. Sige pa. Sige pa.
Yo, good morning guys. What's up?
Vlogging.
Another
Okay, vlogging.
Another day, another videos. Today, nandito po kami sa...
English.
Oh, okay. Today we are here in National Park. And
Botanical Park.
okay, that's it. And we met some friend from
She's also working in Dubai.
Myanmar. You're from there. Yes. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
See? And this is Marshall also. Yeah, see you guys.
Ayun, maganda yun. Tagalan mo. Tagalan mo pa. Game yung ano, yung ganyan.
Hindi, yung click.
Game, 1, 2, 3, go. Mamaya, 1, 2, 3, go. Mamaya na yung ganyan. Ayos muna. Okay. Game, yung pataas-taas. Wait. Okay, game. 1, 2, 3, go. Gusto mo mag-zipline?
Hello, vlog.
Guys, we're looking for the falls. Yeah, we're looking for the falls. Do you want to go there directly?
She's
looking for the falls.
Also, right?
Let's go.
Falls, waterfalls.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I don't know where is waterfall.
We don't know. We will check
Let's
then.
go and see. Let's go and see. Maybe another fall. I don't know where is waterfall. Let's go and see.
Guys, medyo malapit na kami sa waterfalls. Medyo nakakapagod lang kasi talagang aakyat kayo, bababa, ganun. So, there you go. Ito na po siya. At last. But it's close, guys. Yay! We found the waterfalls, but we're going up now para mas maganda yung view. So, another stairs. And the falls is there.
Here.
And yung suit ko, guys, hindi bagay dito. Ginawa ko. Kala ko kasi sa city lang kami or mga botanical, mga, syempre parang garden lang. Guys, ito na suit ko. T-shirt. Naka-skirt. Tapos naka-birds. So, yun. Ikaw naman, Beb.
Blueberry?
Yeah. Check, check, check. Guys, there's a blueberry. Nakakatuwa. Yes.
Look at this. Galing. Di pa sila hinog, no? Nakakatuwa.
Amazing. Katawa. Picture sila. Dami po, oh.
Dito pa kalat-kalat lang naman.
Oo. Try it. Sour?
Sawa. Yeah, because it's still, ano ba yung tawag doon?
It's still not ripe. Try it. Try.
Sawa?
Sour. Your face is also sour. Oh my god. It's sour. Oh, there is abal-abal here. You know,
What's that?
it's like butterfly.
It's abal-abal.
We call it abal-abal.
Abal-abal. So, ayun na nga guys. Nakikita na ako ng blueberry. And, na-accept na namin ang waterfall. Waterfall. Malapit na sa waterfall.
Nakakita pa po kami ng blueberry. Ah, that blueberry. I think this is the way. Ah. Ah. Kay na. Ako. Paano?
Ito.
Ay. Masarap. Bas. I'll try also, guys. Ako. Ito, pahawak na lang pasuyo.
No problem, I will take two.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Sarap. So, thank you. Guys, we're gonna cross the bridge now, going to the other side. Going to the monument. Tingnan natin yung bridge. Mukhang maganda. Yeah, that's the bridge.
Dito daw.
it okay?
Ate, oh, later. Take video for ate. I want photo.
Ah,
Not
okay.
video. It's okay. No problem.
Ah, okay. That setting is okay?
You can take.
This section, guys, there's a lot of bamboo. So, this is what you call Pinus pinya. Yeah, there's a lot of bamboo here on this side. Uy! Hindi pa siya hinuong. The entire Tbilisi. Guys, nakapagpa-picture din kami dun sa statue. So, from the side, from the National Botanical Garden, here, ayun po yung statue. There! Medyo mahirap lang siyang picturean dun sa tapat niya. Sa harapan mismo kasi parang masyadong matarik yung sa harapan niya. So, no space po. Pero kung magpipicture ka from the bottom naman meron. Pero yung dun sa may pinakang paanan ng statue, napaka-kitted. So, pinakang ulo lang namin yung kita. Pasok tayo dito.
What is this? Mother. This is Mother Osuchia. I know only that.
There you are. Wala naman yata.
Turkish coffee.
Oo nga. Yun, dito pa pwede tayo mamaba eh.
Oh, baba yan. Gusto mo picturean kita, Beb?
Oo.
Ha? Halika dito. I'm scared. Ha? You scared?
Oo nga. Hulugan mo piso.
Tingale Vina. Dije le va a hablar, mira. Diyoda, diyoda.
Mas punta na tayo ng Peace Bridge.
Namams. Ai, halfin rube dura tagi. Tetra namams. Mukha kanila.
Kala ko scary, hindi naman pala. Pag nandito ka na, sarap ng pakiramdam. Sarap ng pakiramdam.
Si May so relaxed.
Ay, Fernanda 있죠. Buraya gidiyor kabulos. İyi sırada çarptım. Ağustos Havaya. Ama tız kaçımızda sen ne oldu satışan ne oldu? Ama maykeven bir kadar yüksek. Parayı sonradan sonra böyle. Ay sağ parayı. Didi. Didi gene böyle olacağız.
ჯერა ფიქრობს აი თუ არ გავიქცევიო მაშინ
Tam söyle gel. Skoni mı skoni bak.
კარგად არის რა თავით ნახოთ როგორ მოუწევს რა რას ეხლა წავიდეთ იქ ვაკეებში არა დანი
Tingin ko
Ami უკვე გახეთი ბაგი. Ami უკვე გახეთი ბაგები. ან ლოპი იქნობს რომ.
გადავიდეთ აქეთ ამ ხარეზე და წავიდეთ პირდაპირ იმაზე ხო მეორეში
ამ როგორ დავიდეთ?
გავიხილე
იქიდან ხო, განაცედეს კონცერტს.
გავართ მარშალ გეროვანზე და პირები გავაგზავნეთ
და ჩვენი ვიში.
მოსაც აიშო და დაიხარჯა და ის ხარი შომეხარა კაფე იმას ხო მეორეში ავიქნა ნუ
იქიდან ხო და განაცედეს კონცერტს.
და გავართ მარშალ გეროვანზე და პირები გავაგზავნეთ
და ჩვენი ვიში.
მოსაც აიშო და დაიხარჯა და ის ხარი შომეხარა კახელი ვარო ე კახელი არის აი რაღაც სისხლი არის
ვინა?
ის აი ხლა თუ
ვიდე და შიო. აია.
Galing.
ვიდე მიოცი ვიში.
Yay! Hey, let's go to the let's go to the bridge. Guys, we're already done for the 3 destination, which is yung Sky Resort, yung cable, National Botanical Garden, and then the other one is the monument upstairs, up there. Yeah, the monument. The mother. The mother
of
yeah.
Georgia.
Oh, yeah. Okay, is that the mother of Georgia? Okay. And now we're going to... And now we're going to... ito yung nakikita natin na balloon, babe.
Ha?
Na balloon.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so now we are gonna go to the... we're going now to the Peace Bridge, which is just nearby. Alam ko doon lang yung banda. And parang may park again dito, guys. So, sobrang ganda.
Ang ganda ng garden nila.
Oo.
So nature.
Pwede tayong tumambay-tambay dito. Ito pala yung nasa baba nga ng bridge kanina. Tama naman yung map natin. Ito talaga dapat yung tinumbok natin, no? Malayo lang. No, thank you.
Yeah.
Did you take a picture here?
Yeah, you can take picture here.
So now this is we are currently here at the Peace Bridge. Peace. Pisio. And that's the Peace Bridge. So guys, dito na lang po kami sa gilid ng picture kasi if you can see that's the Peace Bridge. That's what they call Peace Bridge. I don't know yet the history, pero I'm gonna tell you later. Mag-search lang ako, guys. If you can see, ang daming tao doon. So, we prepared to take a picture here in the on the side para makunan ko yung bridge itself. So, and I don't want crowded people, so it's better to take a picture here. Si Mio and May, they're taking a picture. So, yes, doon din po kami sumakay earlier sa cable na yon, going down from the National Botanical Garden kasi if we're gonna go down, nakakapagod po sobra yung pag-akyat, tapos nakakapagod pa yung pagbaba. So, we prefer to ride the cable na lang. May maaura siya, guys. Aura-aurahan din siya. Diba? Mama, okay, wow! Tapos kamay mo, Gab! Guys, we're gonna go back to the hotel. Kasi kailangan po namin mag-check for the itinerary tomorrow. So, we're gonna contact a few people na pwede naming masakian going to Kutaisi. And hopefully, sana meron kaming makita na mura. And we're done here in the city. Halos lahat na ikot na po namin ang mga destination. So, bukas po, we're gonna go to the countryside naman. Ayun! Hi guys! Just a quick update po. Alam niyo po, dito po sa Europe, napapalaban po kami ng mga lakaran. Samantalang sa Dubai po, kada kibot po namin sakay kasi sobrang init. Tingnan niyo si Mio, kayang-kaya niya maglakad. Toink!